Also, too, what you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, baby. Subscribe to China's World. Peace. Everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going inside HEB to get my birthday cake. My birthday is Monday, New Year's Day. So we're gonna go in here and see what kind of design I want to get for my birthday. All right, stay tuned. We're going into HEB. We made it into HEB. We finna go to the bakery. They got little stuff already. I need to get some stuff for my birthday. Ooh, they got these slow cookers. See how much it is? $29. 98 cents. Oh, those are the big ones up there.
If you get this,
the big ones are $34.99.
If you get this, you get 10% off, and you get more than that for you.
Different? Willy Wonka Fruity Pebbles. I mean, Fruit Loops. Back on this aisle. Get some soda. Soda, guys. This soda is $1.26. The whites right here. Say low prices, but $4.88 for 3 of these. So you can go to Walmart and get it for cheap at a dollar store. Let's see. I'm trying to find the whites. It's not the cheaper whites. This is $4.88. No, ma'am. I'm not getting that. We're gonna go to the 99-cent store. Oh, let's see. And then these are $3.18 for just one. No. No. I'm talking about right here. $1.18. Yep, that's what we're getting. And I got some other ones $4.98 for 3 of them. They even got the small ones like this for $2.68. No. I got these up here for $2.68 and $1.36, $1.28, $1.94. The best one to get is $1.18. We're gonna get the HEB brand. They got some down here too, $4.88. These are $2.27. These are $3.18 for 3 of those. Oh no, this is one single pack. $6.94 for 216 wipes. No. But we did good. So the ones we end up getting is $1.18. Now we're gonna go check out and go to the other stores. So stay tuned. Okay, everybody, we're out of HEB. So now we're gonna go to City Trends to return the outfit my mom got me for Christmas and return the pants my mom got Chance. They were too little. And the outfit my mom got me, I couldn't even fit in it. It was a hot mess, but yeah, y'all stay tuned and I'll meet y'all there. We went into City Trends or whatever. I was gonna exchange some stuff out of there, but we're gonna go to a whole nother store. So y'all stay tuned. That's the City Trends right there we just came out of. Y'all, welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna go into Five Below. They got some other stores around here. The World Market, food, wine, and furniture, and decor and gifts. They got Supercuts over here. They got Lash Place. They got a lady fingernail spa treat. They got H&R Block. Edible arrangements? What? I did not know that was over here. But they got furniture, cons. They got Ross over there. All these stores over here I never really went to. They got Hobby Lobby. That's the place right there that got shut down. That was I don't know what that was. And they got some other stuff over there. Children's place over here. They got Main Event all the way over there. But yeah, we're gonna go and Five Below. So I'll see y'all in there. Look at the Rugrats. Y'all like this kind of stuff? Look, it's a squishy ball. I got that for y'all before.
You got this already?
They got, let's see, little action figures. Sonic. That's cute. I like this one. Got these. Oh, that's a different looking toy.
They got this.
Pokemon.
Why they got this.
They got Chop.
Why they got things in the bed?
They got these. Ninja Turtles. They even got these collectibles. This just hold your phone. The Reese's little thing. That's cute. This one cute too. Ooh. Look at this. Cupcakes. Kisses. This one.
Get it for yourself.
But it's for, I don't think it's for my phone because it got the 3 little cameras. Mine have 2. I don't have 3. Yeah, go behind y'all TV. It's gonna stick. Look, this is a punk.
I ain't gonna lie,
white.
that's gonna make my eyes hurt.
No, it's not gonna be behind your TV. The thing to hold your phone. You need one of those. Or this one. iPhone one. These candles, they got a Play-Doh. Oh no, it's actually Play-Doh. I thought it was a candle. They got maple bacon. Oh, look at this. That's cute. They shirts do be tight. Look, all these right here is the ones you can pick. They down here. All of them down here. All these socks in here for $5.
Hey, Jody.
Yeah, little beanies for the kids. $5. Whoa.
My mom said we can't get that.
Pucker powder. What the world? Look how long this is. Squirrel powder. Candy. Good. Mini. Oh, sour mini rings. That's a big thing for $5. Got a big gummy worm lollipop. This is a burrito taco.
I want something I could mix.
Sour warhead taffy.
Can I get this?
I got these keychains. I need one. I just don't know which one to get. They got some over here too. Y'all, welcome back to the vlog. We are at the A-Leaf Park. It's basically where we come for WIC and everything, but it's a big convention center where all the kids and stuff can play at the park. They got a big old open field over there to play soccer. It's a big track. I think it's a basketball court over there. There is a skate park. They have a pool all the way over there. So I'll let the kids play for a little bit. Plus it's a beautiful day. Look at the sky. So I'll let y'all see what they're gonna be doing at the park. Stay tuned. Plus this is the first time I've ever been to the park with all these kids. I've never seen all these kids at the park before. Usually when me and my husband come and we take the kids, there do not be a lot of kids. So let's see how Chastity Carter and Chosen interact with all these kids at the park. Okay, let's go. Everybody out of school too. Yeah. Sweet Johnny. Where's she at? Oh, there she is. You can go all the way over there. Chance, can you do it?
I touched it.
Go. Can you do it?
It's getting hot.
Ow. Just getting hard. Wow. Yeah, you almost there. You gotta go all the way down right there.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh. Let's see if he can make it all the way. Oh, they switched it because you climbing the wall. What's that? Look at Chassie. Look at Carter. There go Carter. He's trying to climb the wall. Chilling in. Look at Chase. Chase sliding. Go, go. Whee!
That hurt.
There go Carter. You gonna go slide each other? Woo, Chassie!
No, look at that one.
Woo, Carter! Woo!
Mom, bang.
Supposed to hit the pole. How are you making noise? Here, Johnny. There you go. So we going up the stairs. These stairs is what? Turning my knee. Lord. We finna go inside because everybody got a potty. The gym is upstairs. I'll show y'all.
Okay.
Okay, we going.
I want to go.
What's a lot of people over there? I'm not going.
I'll be in the elevator, y'all. How y'all feel about the elevator? Scary. I don't know what kind of room that is, but that's for the adults. It's not for you. Right here is the pool. Like in summertime, you can go right there to the pool. I don't know what everybody got going on today, but everybody at the park. Maybe because everybody's out of school. Hey, y'all, we made it back to the house, so I made some shrimp fried rice. I'm gonna show y'all the package. Hold on. This is the package from Sam's. It's called chicken fried rice, and it has 6 servings per box. So it's chicken breast, meat, bacon, added crispy vegetables, and cooked eggs, and delicious gourmet sauce. So that's what I got. That's what we having tonight, and I got some, what is it? Chicken tenders in the oven too. So kind of like a Chinese food night tonight. So yeah. So I want to thank everybody for staying for the end of the vlog. We're going to see you on the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you share it to your friends. Thank y'all for tuning into my video today and hanging out with me and my kids. Peace!